Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Office couldn't install error code 0-20480. First, go on your search bar and search on CMD. Run it as administrator. Now here, type in cd space c colon office 20 2024 and hit on enter. On my case, I don't have it. Oh, I forgot the C. You must input C here. Let's try again. CD space C colon office 2024, then hit on enter. On my case, I don't have that program or app, so it cannot find it on the path specified. But on your case, you will find it, and after you hit that enter, simply input this setup.x configuration.xml and hit on enter. After that, it will fix your problem, and that's basically it.